Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Penn Bowling Club, which is in Wolverhampton. There's been a bowling green, or the bowling club has been established since 1911. I'm not certain if they've always been on this site, so if you know any different, please tell me. I need to have competitions on here. They're in the staffs league. It's like it's got a lovely surface on it. Crown in the centre. A nice social club. So if you have got any questions or comments, or if I give some wrong information, please don't be afraid to put it in the comments. I always reply to everybody who posts. It's a Dudley District game at the moment. Rubery, RSJC playing Penn. So it's the end of August now, the nights are drawing in, getting a little bit chillier. The green looks in fabulous condition. Okay guys, as always, if you are enjoying my content, please give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe. I've got over 60 videos on there. See you on the next one.